Good morning, everyone. Marv Eisen here. It's May 23rd. It's a Monday, and we're beginning the week with maybe a new complexion to the market. And I'm going to get into that in a minute. Starting out the day, looking at the economic calendar, here we are, May 23rd. Nothing is scheduled, so we can disregard any announcements making any kind of waves for the market. And everything is in the green. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ futures. Oil is still up there. 10-year Treasury still floating just under 3%. But that is going to go up. Let's move over to the S&P, and this is the E-mini from Friday, May 20th. And I just want to repeat something that I said in my video last week. There are only 6 types of trades that you need to know as an E-mini trader. Only 6 types of trades. The GST, TMC, GST, TMC, and that's the gap, support and resistance, time and price trades, sometimes called symmetrical trades. I call them symmetrical trades. T, trend. M, momentum. And C, candlestick trades. Trades based on candlestick patterns, simple candlestick patterns. GST, TMC. I'm going to repeat it. GST, gap, support and resistance, time and price. TMC, trend, momentum, candlestick. Okay. So I'm going to reference these trades on this chart from Friday, but before I do, I'm going to go over to the big picture. This is the S&P on a one-day chart. This is Friday right here, okay? And look at this candle. Look at the configuration of this candle. Looks sort of like a hammer, doesn't it? Well, the last time the market put in a candle like this, the S&P put in a candle like this, I'm going to go to the low over here, 38.08. And I'm going to scroll to the left. And the last time the market reached that level was back here on early March 2021. So that is over a year ago. So the market is back at the level, or was back at the level of over a year ago. But look at the configuration of this candle. A strong push upwards. The bulls made a very valiant attempt to prevent any further deterioration in the S&P. Will that hold today? Well, let's go back and see what happens when we can see other candles like this forming in the past. And I'm going to tell you right now, there are not many. Here's one on January 24th of this year, when the market was trying to hold back the stampede from its coming down from the high of end of year. But other than that, you have to go all the way back, and even then, I don't see a candle with the configuration of that. So this is a strong defense of the S&P by the bulls. So will that hold today? It's likely. This is a pretty strong defense, and especially since the flags are all in the green today. So that is the one-day S&P. It's a Monday, so also we can expect the market to gravitate to the upside, but as traders we know the market goes both ways. So let me go back to the one-day chart of the S&P E-mini. This is Friday, May 20th. GST TMC, okay? First trade of the day, gap trade. Here was the gap from Thursday. Prices closed the gap. That was one trade that worked out. S, support and resistance. Well, you see a support and resistance trade over here. Okay, support, resistance. Do you see a trend trade? Trend trades abound. Okay. Time and price trades. There's one that just happened on the way to filling the gap. There's the first leg. Here's the consolidation. Here's the second leg. And momentum trades. Boom! Here's the momentum trade back up to the equilibrium at Thursday's close. So GST, TMC. These are the only 6 trades you need to know, and I teach this in my course. And you need to be comfortable being able to find these trades, because these are the setups that you need to know. I've already sent out the trading zone to my subscribers for the day. It looks like there might be another gap trade today. We will see. I'm thinking of doing a pre-market morning video as a Zoom meeting, just as a get-together for all traders who would want to just chew the fat, to talk pre-market, talk about trading strategies, their own ideas and whatever. I'm going to announce that on my website, timelessdollar.com, so look out for that. If you've subscribed to my mailing list, I'll send out a mailing list invitation on that. But otherwise, you'll see the Zoom invitation on my website. So check my website out, and I look forward to scheduling that. It's not really going to be a trading room because I don't want to call trades for people. That's the one thing I don't want to do. At any rate, you have a great day. Use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Style.